Welcome to the Manager's Guide to the COVID-19 Employee Noncompliance Action Report. Let's take a look at a sample of the report, which displays your direct reports in categories 1 through 3 who are not complying with COVID-19 daily health screenings and/or testing. It provides a daily snapshot of your direct reports who are non-compliant with COVID-19 testing and/or daily health screenings as of 11:30 p.m. on the previous day. As a manager, it is important, and it is your responsibility, to review this report each day to ensure that your employees are complying with their required COVID-19 testing and daily health screenings. This report provides information daily, but it does not provide a cumulative history of occurrences of noncompliance. Therefore, you should download and save it daily. To download, select the drop-down menu and select Export Data. Save the downloaded report so you can track patterns of noncompliance and provide coaching and corrective action when necessary. You'll notice that the format of the downloaded report is different than the original report, in that there are numbers rather than red and green circles to indicate if someone is compliant. For both the test and screening compliant columns, 1 equals yes and 0 equals no. The report displays your direct reports who have been assigned to categories 1 through 3 who are non-compliant as of the previous day at 11:30 p.m. Your direct reports who are in compliance, as well as those in Category 4, do not appear on the report. Testing categories and frequency of testing are described on the Back to BU website. Test Category 1 and 2 are tested once weekly, so they will show as a green circle if they have been tested within the past 7 days of the snapshot date. Test Category 3 are tested once upon return to campus, so they will be shown as a green circle if they have been tested at least once. As a manager, it is your responsibility to designate what category your employee falls into. If the category of your employees is listed incorrectly or has changed, you can redesignate their testing category at any time by visiting My BU Works. The next column shows test compliance. This column shows either a red circle for non-compliance or a green circle for compliance. Test categories 1 and 2 are tested once weekly, so they will show as a green circle if they have been tested within the past 7 days of the snapshot date. Test Category 3 are tested once upon return to campus. They will be shown as a green circle if they have been tested at least once. Days since last test shows how long it has been since the employee was last tested. Remember, an employee who is tested every Monday could show as non-compliant in a week when there is a Monday holiday and they are not able to get tested. Keep things like this in mind when you review the report, but also make sure you remind those whose testing schedule may be affected by a Monday holiday to get COVID-19 tested the following day. The last test date column shows the date of the last test. Daily health screening compliant column. A red or green circle indicates non-compliance or compliance. An employee shows as compliant if they took their daily health screening as of the snapshot date, which will be the previous day. Employees are asked to take the daily health screening each weekday, Monday through Friday, except for university holidays before coming to campus. Faculty and staff scheduled to work on weekends or holidays or planning to be on campus for any other reason on those days must complete a daily health screening before coming to campus. Staff members do not need to complete a daily health screening on their regularly scheduled days off. Days since last health screening column shows how long it has been since the employee last completed their daily health screening. The last health screening date column shows the date the employee last took their health screening. In addition to COVID-19 testing and daily health screenings, employees are also required to wear face coverings on campus. Please remind your employees that face coverings are an effective tool to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Thank you for your leadership in helping ensure that employees follow the established protocols to ensure the health and safety of the BU community. As you review these reports and identify those individuals who may not be compliant, it's important to provide them with coaching. You will receive further communication and materials to guide you through the coaching, difficult conversations, conflict resolution, and eventually the corrective action processes.